Today, we're diving into the world of movies that offer more than just entertainment. They're packed with valuable lessons about money. You don't need to sift through boring textbooks or outdated guides to boost your financial know-how. These films provide an exciting alternative, offering practical tips to level up your money game and shift your perspective on finances. From cautionary tales to inspiring journeys, get ready to explore 7 movies that will turbocharge your financial savvy. Let's jump right in. Number 7. The Money Pit, released in 1986, is an American comedy that serves as a cautionary tale about the importance of thorough research before making significant purchases. The movie follows a couple, portrayed by Tom Hanks and Shelley Long, who impulsively buy a house under pressure. However, they soon discover that the property requires costly repairs they hadn't anticipated, putting them in financial trouble. This storyline mirrors real-life situations where people fall into debt due to hasty decisions and a lack of financial planning. Recent data from the Federal Reserve's Household Debt and Credit Survey shows that Americans collectively owe a staggering $1.1 trillion in credit card debt as of the third quarter of 2023, a record high. The Money Pit underscores the necessity of careful planning and maintaining a solid financial strategy when making purchases. Whether buying a house, a car, or even minor expenses charged to a credit card, it's crucial to anticipate all potential costs and have a backup plan in place. To avoid falling into financial pitfalls, start by listing all expected expenses related to your purchase, including any unforeseen additional costs. Then, determine the source of funding, whether it's from savings or another financial source. Additionally, save up extra money equal to a few months' payments to serve as a safety net for any unexpected expenses that may arise after the purchase. In essence, it's about being financially prepared and having a contingency plan in case things don't go as expected. Number 6. In the movie Up, Carl and Ellie work hard to save money for their dream trip to Paradise Falls. However, they repeatedly dip into their savings for immediate needs, leading to financial challenges. This teaches us an important lesson about managing personal finances. To avoid such situations, it's advisable to maintain separate savings for different purposes. Financial experts recommend having dedicated funds for regular savings and emergencies. These funds act as a safety net for unexpected expenses like medical emergencies or job losses. Today, many banks offer the convenience of opening multiple savings accounts online and setting up automated transfers. This makes it easier to manage your finances and ensure you're prepared for unforeseen circumstances. Additionally, having medical insurance can lessen the financial burden in cases of emergencies. While premiums are still required, insurance coverage reduces the need to rely heavily on emergency funds. Overall, the lesson from Up is to save for the future while avoiding unnecessary depletion of your emergency fund. By following these principles, you can better manage your finances and be prepared for whatever life throws your way. Number 5. Wallstreet, released in 1987, remains relevant even after 36 years. This Oscar-winning film follows Bud Fox, a young stockbroker who engages in illegal insider trading to impress Gordon Gekko, a ruthless tycoon. The movie provides a clear overview of financial markets, demonstrating how investors can profit from calculated risks. It delves into the dynamics of supply and demand, the impact of news and insider information on valuations, and the importance of market regulators. Moreover, Wall Street sheds light on individuals pursuing wealth through unethical means, disregarding their responsibilities. It explores themes of greed, moral decline, and the willingness to compromise values in pursuit of money, power, and profits. At a deeper level, the film prompts viewers to reconsider their relationship with money. Is greed genuinely beneficial, especially if it harms others? Can one use money for personal benefit without causing harm to others? These are important questions raised by the movie. Number 4. In Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, whether you're watching the 1971 or 2005 version, there's a lesson about reading contracts carefully. When young Charlie Bucket and the other golden ticket winners visit the chocolate factory, they have to sign a contract full of legal terms. If something goes wrong and the kids get hurt, Wonka claims they're responsible because they signed the contract. This situation mirrors real life when we sign contracts for things like apps or credit cards. These contracts often have important details hidden in the fine print, which can be hard to understand. It's smart to ask questions and take your time before agreeing to anything. Rushing through could lead to unintended consequences. Number 3. The Social Network depicts Mark Zuckerberg's journey in creating Facebook, a global social media giant. The movie offers valuable lessons with 2 key points standing out. Firstly, persistence is crucial for success. Despite numerous challenges, Zuckerberg's unwavering dedication propelled Facebook to greatness. This commitment led to major acquisitions like Instagram and WhatsApp, underscoring the importance of continuous effort towards our goals. Secondly, achieving success takes time and effort. There are no shortcuts, and patience is essential. Eduardo Saverin, an original co-founder, exemplifies this by selling his shares early. Staying longer could have brought greater rewards. Interestingly, Facebook's advertising, initially opposed by Zuckerberg, now earns billions annually, showing the importance of perseverance and openness to new ideas. Number 2. The Wolf of Wall Street may not seem like a movie that teaches financial lessons, but it's actually filled with valuable insights. The main themes of greed, addiction, and corruption stem from excessive materialism. The film portrays Jordan Belfort and his associates engaging in unethical financial practices to satisfy their desires for wealth, power, and status. Belfort describes his actions as innovative, but they're really just fraudulent. For example, he trains his team to sell investments without educating them on the risks or suitability of clients' portfolios. This focus on sales over financial well-being still exists today, so it's important to be cautious of financial salespeople. While they may seem helpful, their primary goal is often closing a sale, not effectively managing finances. Number 1. The Big Short. Let's talk about the significance of the opening quote from Mark Twain in The Big Short. It sets the tone by highlighting the danger of being certain about things that aren't true. This theme resonates with many of us, as we often find ourselves believing in something only to discover it's false. Now, it's essential to understand that The Big Short isn't just about the 2008 financial crisis. It delves into the events leading up to it and how a few individuals saw the disaster coming. One crucial lesson from the movie is the importance of relying on data rather than following popular opinions. Take Michael Burry, for example, a hedge fund manager who meticulously examined each mortgage in top-selling mortgage bonds. Despite facing pressure and ridicule for going against the widely accepted belief in the stability of the housing market, Burry stuck to his data-driven decision. His strategy proved correct when the market crashed. Another lesson from the film is the need to guard against worst-case scenarios. Too often, we overlook warning signs and embrace success, lowering our guard in the process. This can lead to potential disasters, as illustrated by the hot hand fallacy, where consistent success misleads people into believing it will continue indefinitely. Before the 2008 crisis, banks and the housing market were seen as invincible, but only a few perceived the looming crisis, while the majority remained unprepared. When the storm finally hit, many were caught off guard. Movies like The Big Short offer valuable lessons about money, just like books. Not everyone enjoys reading, so films, documentaries, podcasts, and even audiobooks are viable options for learning. The key is to remain open to learning and draw lessons from the triumphs and mistakes of the characters. And there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the financial lessons hidden within some of your favorite movies. From cautionary tales about impulsive spending to the importance of perseverance and ethical behavior in the world of finance, these films offer invaluable insights that anyone can grasp. Remember, financial literacy isn't just about crunching numbers and reading graphs. It's about understanding the real-life implications of our financial decisions. Whether you're a movie buff or just someone looking to improve your money management skills, these lessons are applicable to us all. So next time you're scrolling through your streaming service, consider adding one of these flicks to your watch list. You might just walk away with a newfound appreciation for the role money plays in our lives and a few practical tips to help you navigate the financial landscape with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more content on mastering your money mindset. And as always, feel free to drop a comment below with your thoughts or any other movies you think offer valuable financial lessons. Until next time, stay financially savvy and keep learning.